Hello folks, today we're doing a big building, a commercial building inspection on a big complex here. See, you can see it's a pretty good sized building. It's all on a pop-up system, wall system, and what they do is they come out here and they take these big old concrete slabs and then they put a crane and they pick them up and put them down in here and set them in place. And as you can see, we got bracing going all the way around and through here, and you can see some of my bracing up on the wall. See if we can zoom in a little bit here. You can see how we got it secured to the wall. And so what we'll do is we'll have this goes all the way around the perimeter of this building here, exterior and interior in sections. And what we've done here is that by putting in braces on there until the ceiling system goes on. When I put my ceiling system up on this will actually hold it together and from my walls from separating also. And then they'll remove all these braces that they have. So they're just a temporary system, but you can see they're heavy duty stuff. And then we pour a concrete floor. That's also what I want to talk to you about. So when we pour a concrete floor, do you notice that we don't pour it, whoops, there's my shadow here. We don't pour it right up against the wall. And the reason we don't is, once again, because of the expansion and contraction. We got to make sure we leave plenty of room for everything. And they'll put in a caulking grout compound that's expansive to pick up a contraction and expansion of that. Well, anyway, this is kind of what we're looking for in this. I just thought you would really enjoy it. This is a big old beautiful looking job. Look at this. They already got our plumbing all in here, and this is good. Well, thank you folks for watching our videos. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. We'd love to be able to help you on your next commercial job inspection.